How to change router IP address. First, connect COFE Wi-Fi router. Enter the default password 12345678. Once connected, open Google Chrome. Search IP address 192.168.150.1. Now login router. Username admin, password admin. Go to LAN setting. Set your IP address and DHCP IP pool. Enter the DHCP IP pool range as per your IP address. Ensure that the pool falls within the subnet and does not overlap with reserved static IP address. Select the desired DHCP lease time. Now enter your new IP address, 192.168.0.10. Enter the logging username and password.